look at the weather. I think it's going to be rain again. Dito na kami guys sa Udupi. I think it's gonna be rain today. Ang gaganda ng mga ano guys, so Jesus, Mama Mary. Original photo? Ayan, no? Ganda ng ano, stand. Altar. Ang cute. Ganda guys, oh. Nag-iba-iba yung kulay. Blue, green, orange. Ang cute. Ayan, nag-purple na. Ayan, nag-orange na. Nag-yellow na. Ang cute. Si Popleo. Wada. Nice. Now I'm a fan of this.
Buns.
Oh, buns, sorry. Buns. Banana. So ayan guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Then we're going to Dmart. We will buy something to take. So hindi ako makapag-video doon guys sa Dmart kasi bawal siya ang video, ang mobile. Only here guys, the Dmart. You cannot Tesla, no? You cannot bring the phone. You cannot take video inside the Dmart. So we are here only. It's a lot of queue for the baggage. Here. Guys, tapos na kami mamili sa Dmart at ayan yung aming pinamili. Wala kaming plastic kaya ayan nakalapag dyan sa sa upuan. We don't have plastic, we forgot to bring. So now we're going to Times Square to check something. So we turn after that Times Square already. Tired, Dada? Full day. Ayan na guys, yung Times Square. Oh, you forgot? Malapit lang sa Dmart. It's near. We parked that side. Sayang wala si Orlin. Orlin having school today. If she knows that we are coming here, oh Dada, why you didn't bring me there also? Right, Dada? Here. KFC. This is what we bought. The Skechers gift. Crocs. So ayan guys, tapos na kaming magbili or finish buying the sandal. So we're going to Modibelle to take some fertilizer for the rice. So now we're going there. Today is the busy day. We are hurry for our time. We are running because see now it's what time now? It's 12:30 and it's raining again. I'm making video but I did not on. Too much humps. Need to Dada is there. I thought guys we're going to my sister-in-law, but Dada said here in Murubili only market to buy the fertilizer. What he's carrying, that is fertilizer for the plant rice. So we're going home na and prepare our things, right?